In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad to sell products online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, trustworthy product page that's ready to take payments. Start on your Gumroad dashboard and click New Product. This opens the creation page where everything you need is organized in one place. Before you move on, have a clear idea of what you're offering and how your audience will use it. That clarity will make the rest of the setup faster and more effective. Next, choose the product type that best matches what you're selling. Digital product is great for files like templates, music, or software. Course works well for structured learning material. Ebook is perfect for PDFs, and membership is designed for ongoing access. Pick the one that aligns with your content so buyers instantly know what to expect. Now upload your files. Gumroad supports PDFs, videos, audio, images, and zips, so you can package multiple items together if needed. Keep file names clean and descriptive to reduce customer questions, and consider including a short README file that explains how to use the download. If your files are large, compress them to improve the buyer's download experience. Set a product title and description that clearly explain the value. Use a title that's specific and benefit-driven, like Productivity Planner, 90-Day System. In the description, tell buyers what's included, who it's for, how it helps, and any key details such as file format, runtime, or version. Clarity builds confidence and reduces refunds, so aim to answer the questions a buyer might have before purchasing. Add a cover image or thumbnail. Strong visuals build trust and improve conversions. Use a clean, high-resolution image that reflects the product and highlights the outcome. Keep text minimal and legible, and ensure the design still looks good on mobile screens where many buyers will discover your product. Set your price. You can choose a fixed price or offer pay what you want. If you pick pay what you want, you can set a suggested price to anchor buyers while still letting them choose what to pay. Whichever you choose, make sure the price aligns with the value and the expectations of your audience. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your product page goes live and is ready for purchases. You can always return to update files, refine the description, or adjust the price as you gather feedback. That's it. Your Gumroad product is ready to sell.